Alright, look what I just bought. It's been a while since I've seen one of these things. This is a Honda ATC 200. I believe it's an 83, I think is what the guy said it was. The sticker on the... Usually there's a sticker here on the head pipe that says what it is, but it's missing. Oh well. As you can probably tell, the motor is not a stock Honda motor. Somebody has put a Predator 420 on it with a air filter mounted up there. Front tire's got a leak. It's got some good tread to it. Here's a strap. I think this is considered a big red because it has a suspension on the front forks. Here's another one. It looks like it's a fairly new brake caliper. And of course, it's going to need a clutch, or put a CVT setup on it, which I've got one of those. Looks like they're still using the stock gas tank. Cool. Back tires have got some good tread. Alright. Well, let's get this pulled into the garage and see if we can figure out something with the clutch and get some air in the front tire, make sure it holds her. Last night when I turned the camera off, I thought I'd pour a little bit of gas in here just to see if it would start. And it's leaking gas from around the base of the petcock, which I'm glad I didn't pour very much in there because it was just pouring out. So I need to get this removed and possibly put another gasket in there. Well, that screw was tight. That one was kind of loose. Oh, well, it's got an O-ring, and right there it's all busted. There's what the problem is. Let me see if I've got another O-ring. Yeah, I've got one that'll fit. Might be just a tad bit too big, but by the time the screws squash it down, I just need some there might still be enough gas in here to see if it will. Maybe. looks dry. Good. I think that will work. Alright, I'm going to clean all this dirt off the bottom of this. And then put it back on. Well, let's see if any of the electrical stuff on this works. I got the battery charger turned on. I don't have a battery for it, but there is a switch here. I'm thinking for the headlights. Does this work? Oh, there's high beam, there's low beam. Well, the light works. There's nothing back here on the back, so that does that. I don't know if the battery charger will have enough juice to crank the engine over or not. Let's see. Well, it tries. So the starter worked. Okay. And something else I noticed when I was playing with the gas tank and the gas valve. This is a plastic tank. These did not come stock with plastic. It was a metal tank. So this tank is off of something else, possibly a dirt bike, or it might be one of those 200X three-wheelers, the kind that are racing. Those kind have a suspension in the back also. So that might be off of one of those. And this disc brake is not stock because these came with drum brakes. You can see somebody's cut the dust shield off to put this in place. And they were cable operated. They were not hydraulic operated, which this is, which I guess this is a good upgrade, being disc brakes from drum. So that's okay, but the front one, it's completely missing all of the brake parts. So if I can find one of those and get a brake lever for it, then it'll have front brakes. And these rear fenders, I am pretty sure they were not stocked from this thing. It's from something else. And I don't think they had these bars went down to the foot pegs as stock either. And now that I'm noticing it, this fender is just zip tied onto the bar. And this one is also. It's just zip tied onto it. Yeah, this isn't right. This is right. I know this because factory, they had a little box here with the lid. You'd lift this up to be able to get to that. The straps that hold this on are gone. I can just put some self-tapping screws in to hold that in place, I guess. But yeah, this thing is like a Frankenstein. Completely different motor, different gas tank, different fenders, different rear rack, different brake. And these are Renthal handlebars. These are aftermarket. That's different. About the only thing stock is the frame and the front. I know they came with these lights. They came with this. The front fender is stock because it kind of says Big Red, the sticker missing. So yeah, this is like a Frankenstein three-wheeler somebody slapped together, but hey, whatever. I guess time to pour some gas in here to see if that, make sure my repair don't leak, and let's see if we can fire this thing up and see if it runs. Alright, got a little gas in it. Nice and dry. It's not leaking. Turn the key on. Choke. Let's see what happens. Oh good, it runs. It's not burning oil. The carburetor might possibly need to be cleaned out some more. Or cleaned out. I haven't messed with that yet, so. And we'll get that torque converter set on there and see if this thing might even want to drive. Alright. Well, that will probably do it for this video. I'm going to have to order some parts. And who knows how long that's going to be before that stuff comes in. So when that comes in, then I will continue on. But until then, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you can win a boat motor. Once I get to 500 subs, I'll be giving that away. And I will see you on the next video.